So today, we're doing my favorite chicken sandwich ever. There's a place right down the street. I live in Temecula, California. A restaurant down the street called 1909. They do a chicken sandwich. Now they've changed it from a brioche bun to sourdough. Don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is the version that I liked when they first opened up. It's a chicken sandwich. It's awesome. It's got bacon, it's got a garlic aioli, it's got arugula, it's got everything. And it's awesome. I'm gonna show you how to make it. And mine's actually better than theirs since they changed the bread. So, first thing we're gonna do, garlic aioli. If you look it, a garlic aioli, all it is a flavored mayonnaise. So you got mayonnaise, lemon juice, garlic, salt. Boom, that's it. That's all you need for a garlic aioli, all right? So we do, because it's really, really hot out here, I just took this out of the fridge, I wanna get this done quick. Do about a cup of mayonnaise, all right? I'd say a little bit more maybe. That's good. All right, about a cup of mayonnaise. 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm really stoked because I found my old school press. Remember that one I bought off the internet because Sam the cooking guy? It sucks. This one's awesome. Don't know what it is, doesn't have any markings, but I love it. Anyways, there you go. So, this table sucks. I'm thinking I might break it. Just smash the garlic down. All right, I'm gonna get 2 big pieces. Let's take the skin off. I like to take the skin off before I put it in my press, just because it's easier to clean then. All right, here's one. One clove. Whoa, whoa, shit. All right, 2 cloves of garlic. All right, half of a lemon. Maybe not even all of a half. I'd say maybe that much. What's that? Maybe 2 teaspoons. A little pinch of salt. Okay, stir it up. Taste it, see if it's garlicky enough. My really clean hands. I think it needs 1 more garlic clove. Oh, you know what? I got a little bit right here. I bet you that, just that little bit would do it. Oh. All right, that's actually really good. All right, 2 big garlic cloves and get it all in there. About a cup. I'm gonna put this off to the side in the shade. Aioli's done. I've got 2 chicken breasts. They're about 3/4 of a pound a piece. I trimmed them up, laid them down, cut them in half. All right, so now we got 4 chicken breasts out of 2. So I'm gonna salt these on the side that I'm gonna put down, and then salt and pepper the other side. All right, all we're doing is salt and pepper on these. No like marinade, no nothing. Because we got so much flavor going into the sandwich itself that we don't need to do anything to these chicken breasts except enhance the actual flavor of the chicken breast with the salt and pepper. All right, so if you see, they're not huge because I cut them in half. Ah, shit. That wasn't a good toss. You know what, sometimes this rack is a pain in the ass. All right, so let those go maybe 3 minutes. Wash my hands, be right back. All right, I went in, washed my hands, and they're almost ready to turn. It's only been maybe a minute and a half. So what we're gonna do, oh, check this out. Here, real quick over here. I already cooked some bacon. What I like to do when I cook bacon is cut it in half because it's perfect size for a sandwich. Cut the bacon in half, or you can do it after you cook it, whatever. But don't use a big long piece of bacon hanging out. I mean, if I had a restaurant, I'd probably do that, but just to be at home, I'm not gonna do that. So once I flip these chickens, I'm gonna take the bacon that I wanna put on, lay it on the top rack just to warm it up a little bit. Because it's already cooked, just to not have it cold on the sandwich. Then we're gonna, 2 things I'm not gonna put on the sandwich that they put on at the restaurant. Havarti cheese. Are you a big cheese on chicken guy? Do you like it? He's a no too. I don't like cheese on chicken. So Havarti cheese, if you want to do cheese on the sandwich, do Havarti, and tomato. No, nobody in my family girlfriend, her daughter, nobody likes tomato on a sandwich. I think it's disgusting. But if you like that, put a tomato on it too. And then the only two greens to put on a sandwich is either arugula or shredded iceberg. We're using arugula. All right, so I'm gonna put avocado on this. So while that's almost done, I just want to cut this avocado real quick, and then we'll switch. All right, look at that. That's kind of a bad one. So we did not get a great avocado. Number one way to cut yourself is to try to dig it out. Just slam it in there like that, and then push off with your thumb. Okay, that's it. These are ready to go. Yeah, see that? Those are ready to go. Maybe 3 minutes per side. Once again, if you had cheese, Havarti, put it on right now. Tell you the truth, ow, son of a... Tell you the truth, I'd wait. I'd wait till they're almost cooked, because the cheese ain't gonna take but 30 seconds to cook. All right, I'm gonna take this bacon. I'm gonna put 12 pieces up here because we're cooking 3 sandwiches. Just gonna reheat it a little bit. Then we'll add a couple more just for shits and giggles. All right, so here's the building layers. We're gonna toast a bun. So a bun, aioli, arugula, chicken, bacon, avocado, aioli, bun. Boom! Best sandwich you ever had in your life. If you want cheese, Havarti, and then put some tomato either bottom, top, wherever you want it. Okay, so the phone got overheated and I couldn't stop cooking. So I took the chicken off at 165. Some of them were 170. They'll be fine. I've let them rest for about 5 minutes. Toasted up some brioche buns. This one got a little overdone, but it's no big deal. We got our avocado, we got our arugula. Now, what I like to do is I'll take a little bit of this off. Like let's say I'll use, I don't care. I'll use this one. All right? That to me is just a little bit too much. So I'm going to take a little bit of this tail end off. And then that'll fit perfect. And then you can make another sandwich off all the tail ends, to tell you the truth. All right, so let's build this thing. First thing, our garlic aioli that we made earlier. I like a lot of it. All right. Chicken that I just cut, cooked perfectly. Let me taste it. Oh my God. Super good, just salt and pepper. Very, very moist. Oh crap, I messed up. Arugula down here. Some arugula. It's too much, but whatever. Chicken. Here, look at this bacon. Some of the bacon got too crispy. My son loves that really crispy. I don't. So this is the stuff that didn't get too crispy. So I'm going to use these. 3 pieces. All right. Avocado. Just layer that over the top. I'm probably going to use a little bit more. And then more of the aioli. And that's it. The 1909 chicken Sammy. I'll cut it on a brioche bun. How's that look? I already know it's awesome because I've made this a million times, but I want you guys to know how to make it. Let me just taste it, make sure. Oh my gosh, look at how juicy that chicken is. Take it off at 163, 162. Let it rest for a little bit. It's gonna be perfect. All right, get that back on there. And the reason I love the arugula, it gives a little peppery flavor to it. So if I just want to crunch with like a watery crunch, like on a taco or a tostada or something like that, I'll use iceberg lettuce shredded. But if I want like flavor, arugula. Oh my God. It's so good, man. It's so good. I can't even tell you. The aioli makes it. The bacon cuts through. I wish this wasn't sitting out in the sun for so long because it'd be a little bit crunchier, but the arugula adds some crunch to it. If you make this chicken sandwich, I'm not kidding you, it will be your favorite chicken sandwich of all time. It's mine. Cook this. Oh! I always forget! subscribe, hit the ding-a-ling-ding, thumbs up, click this.